everyone, this is Tanuja. Sweets is something that we always enjoy and making them at home is always special. So today I'm going to make a wonderful sweet recipe called basundi. Now let's get started and check out the ingredients of the recipe. We have 1 liter full fat milk, quarter cup sugar, sliced almonds and cashews, half teaspoon cardamom powder, cashew powder to make the basundi thicker, and a few saffron strands. Now let's start preparing the basundi. Now let's pour the milk. Let's allow the milk to boil. Keep stirring the milk so that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Add the warm milk to the saffron strands and keep it aside. Now the milk has thickened. Now it's time to add the chopped almonds, cashews, powdered cashew and the cardamom powder. Make sure you maintain the flame on medium throughout. Now I'm going to add the saffron milk. The milk has thickened. It's time to add quarter cup of sugar into the milk. You can adjust the sugar according to your taste. After adding the sugar, make sure the milk thickens a little more. Now the basundi is ready. Let's turn off the stove and allow the basundi to cool down completely. The basundi has completely cooled down. Let's transfer into this bowl and let's refrigerate for 2 hours. Here you go, the absolutely delicious basundi. Do try this recipe and enjoy. Thank you.